Wait a minute. This isn't computer science.
NANI?
Let's talk about the real computer science.
3, 2, 1, drop it.
So what is computer science? Is computer science simply the science of computers? Well, not necessarily. According to Britannica.com, computer science is the study of computers and computing. This includes theoretical and algorithmic foundations, hardware and software, and their uses for processing information. This means that computer science isn't totally about computers, nor is it a type of science. In fact, computer science dates way back before the modern computer has been even invented.
Wow.
The first ever computer was the Chinese abacus, which is a tool used for computing, created in 2700 BCE. But the word computer was actually coined in the 1600s to describe people who made calculations manually as a profession. These computers had a vital role in the community, especially in nuclear weapons. Nowadays, we use the term computer to describe the electronic devices we use in doing various tasks. This includes our laptops, our desktops, and even our mobile phones. But then, this brings us back to the question, what is computer science if it isn't the science of computers? Well, to understand this, allow me to provide an analogy. Imagine you have a math homework due tomorrow.
Here we go again.
When we are given a task to do, we are met with a lot of questions regarding our decisions. Should I do this homework now or later? Should I use the negative operator or the positive operator? Should I multiply both of these numbers? At worst, we may even ask, is this homework even possible? But at the end of the day, what we really want is to find a method which will allow us to finish this homework as early as possible. Now you may ask, what does this stupid homework have to do with computer science? Well, it is actually the same case in computer science. As technology improves exponentially, computers also increase in capability. Thus, the aim of computer science is to test what is actually possible and impossible with computers. This is so much different from what people perceive computer science is. People stereotype computer science as the course of hackers or cyber criminals, when in fact it is much broader than that.
Are you sure about that?
Computer science consists of web development, data science, game development, artificial intelligence, and even graphic design. So, computer science isn't this, nor is it this. It offers a much broader spectrum, more than just what we call programming. Well, for me, computer science is actually a huge part of our lives. As technological advances appear every day, we become more and more reliant on computation. This is actually one of the reasons why I chose computer science as a course in college. We use computer science to explore new things we haven't discovered before, like say for example, virtual realities or VR machines we see nowadays. It provides us access to information from the entire world in our fingertips, and it might even be the reason as to what brings us closer despite long distances from our friends and families. It might even be the sole reason as to how you are able to watch this video right now. Without computer science, most of the things that we have nowadays would have ceased to exist. Overall, computer science can be a lot of things, but ultimately, it is what helps us in solving the toughest problems in the world in order to allow us to move forward in the future.